say. Words of wisdom, yes I can. 'Cause you're a shining star, no matter who you are, shining bright to see what you can truly be, what you can truly be. 'Cause you're a shining star, no matter who you are, shining bright to see what you can truly be, what you can truly be. 'Cause you're a shining star, no matter who you are, shining bright to see what you can truly be. Keep that going, keep that going. Woo! How you feeling alive after 5? How you feeling alive after 5? Shining star for you to see what your life can truly be. A shining star for you to see what your life can truly be. A shining star for you to see what your life can truly be. One more. Shining star for you to see what your life can truly be.
Okay, we have a new stuff this year. Feel free to watch over there, okay? Very new stuff, beautiful Native American, Peruvian jewelry and CDs and everything. Thank you for supporting us every year. It's a blessing to be here again, okay? Nice weather. I would like to say thank you very much to this young man over here. We didn't have a sound system until 2 days ago. He's always saving our lives. Oscar, give me a round of applause for him. Oscar, thank you so much, bro. Always here for us. And it's also for you too. More music, all right? Everybody dancing, come on, go!
A lot of nice places.
by Dexter.
Hey, come on, flat top people, moving up slowly. Got juju, I'm all we want. Rolling, rolling, we got hair down to knee. Got to be a jungle, he just do what he please. Tone jump up all we got. Monkey finger, he shoot. Coca-Cola, say, I know you, you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Together, right now. Together. Over me. Get back production, he got walls, drum on, he got oh no sideboard, he want spinal cracker, he got feet down below and me. Hold you in his armchair, you can feel it and see. Come together right now. Come together right now. Come together right now. Over me. Yes. Made it down the coast in 17 hours. Big meat, food, cake, dog, road flowers. Now they hold me for my life. See my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like a welcome wheel. Rock me, mama, anywhere you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Hey, rock me, mama, like a wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Yeah. I pick the grapes around. Oh, she winners keep me getting it down. Lost my birthday for so I had to leave town. But I ain't certain about living that whole life no more. Come on, so like me, mama, like a welcome heel. Like me, mama, anywhere you feel. Hey, mama, like me. Rock me, mama, like a wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Hey. One in the south, driving old rock, I could have trucking. I feel he had a nice one too, but he's a heading west. I'm coming in, yeah, there's on the super say, Tennessee, I gotta get a move on, eat for the sun. I hear my baby calling my name, and I know she's the only one. And if I'm not right, at least I will die. So like me, mama, like a welcome feel. Like me, mama, anywhere you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. And rock me, mama, like a wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, baby, mama, rock. Come on, let's sing. And rock me, mama, like a welcome feel. Rock me, mama, anywhere you feel. Hey, mama, rock. You better rock me, yes. Rock me, mama, like a wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. I said, hey, mama, rock me. You know, I said, hey, mama, rock me.
Thank you.
She was gonna be gone, yeah, something to her girls. I knew right away she was not like other girls, like other girls. It never was out the way, doesn't be strong. Hey, cause once in a while you get shown in the light, in the strangest of places you really got it right. to learn the hard way, just to let her pass by, let her pass by. Oh, just to let her pass by. Woo! Hey, hey. Scarlet Begonias. Yeah, thank you. Sublime style though. We're gonna do an original song of the style of Scarlet Begonias, because we like reggae a lot. Reggae music. Feeling tiene un gallo.
So my belief is that when we can't find something outside of ourselves, we look inward to find it first, and then start the journey again. So the next two pieces I wanted to do were in regards to like finding out how do we learn to love ourselves with all the messed up pieces of ourselves and all the flaws and the struggles and things like that. And so this first piece was written for myself as just sort of a way to kind of confront you know, what's going on inside. And many of you have heard this piece before, but it's one of my favorites. So this is called If I Look Like What I've Been Through. If I looked like what I've been through, I'd have the face of a woman and a man contorted into a kind of in-between. delicate and masculine, with eyes that pierce and lips that tempt, with a jaw of glass that slices like obsidian, and a brow that collects beads of sweat. Her ideas fall to their depths. If I look like what I've been through, I'd have a heart where my brain is supposed to be. I'd have a brain where my heart is supposed to be, and they'd constantly be switching, thinking, feeling, fighting for what is right, neither able to decide who is winning. If I looked like what I've been through, I'd be dressed in a three-piece straitjacket with cufflinks, dressed to the nines in a canvas tux with the images that cloud my mind painted on. It's a metaphor for my artistic fervor, former affliction transformed into a brilliance no less insane. If I looked like what I've been through, my blood type would be ink, and you would see it coursing in sentences and verses just beneath my skin. If I looked like what I've been through, my skin wouldn't be able to tell you what race I am, but you would still judge me. Out of the misplaced morality of a Christian, the pantheon of a Hindu, the hope of an atheist, and the history of a Jew. If I looked like half as much as I've been through, I'd only be half a person, an incomplete masterwork, a magnum opus loaded only with dummy bullets. I wouldn't have half the passion that bleeds like beads of sweat from my gaping pores and rivulets of syntax that I dab with loose leaf paper to preserve what I've been through. If I looked like what I've been through, you wouldn't even see me. You'd only see the things that make me me, but they are not me. You see, I am so much more than just what I've been through. I am infinitely strong. Thank you.
I've got your heart.
guys didn't hear me say it the last 74 times. Wait, by the way, well done. He's an awesome kid. If you guys didn't hear me say before, we are approaching Troy. It's on the drum head. If you don't know. These lights don't look like they do much outside. Because we're outside. And they look like little chicken lights. But inside they do a lot. Fun things I've done in a while. We play a lot of shows out of state, but playing home is so much fun, especially outdoors. In a festival, we don't play a lot of festivals. This is fun. I hope you guys are having fun too. So yeah, you go to that. I was just gonna ask the same thing. That was quick. This is guitar. Let's get those hands together, everybody. Patch up, let's get those hands together. Except for Peter, we'll be saying what's in the ground. Let's keep getting those hands together. Called Gissel, Ohio. It's off our first EP called Dear City.